The question of when the hippocampus becomes involved in memory is a very important one, but not easy to answer. There is strong evidence that the hippocampus is involved in at least certain aspects of memory, but when such activity is engaged is less clear. The word when suggests that a technique with high temporal resolution is in order. So EEG and MEG are possibly the first techniques that come to mind. However, it is not clear that EEG and MEG can pick up activity from very deep brain structures such as the hippocampus. It is thought that the activity would need to be incredibly strong in order to propagate to the scalp and be visible in EEG and or MEG. So if EEG and MEG are not giving a definitive answer, which techniques could you employ? fMRI is highly effective in picking up activity from the hippocampus, and so can PET be, depending on how both are set up. But their temporal resolution may not be sufficient to answer questions about the time course of activity. Optical imaging is also not suitable because the technique only taps into superficial parts of the brain. It is likely that neuroimaging cannot at the current time provide an answer to the question when the hippocampus becomes involved in memory. Other cognitive neuroscience techniques, and I'm thinking here about work with patients and possibly animal models if you go into the behavioral neuroscience route, or studies employing intracranial EEG recordings in patients, might be more suitable to at least approach this question.